Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the rewarding journey of making your very first code contribution to an open source project hosted on GitHub. First, search for repositories with specific labels like Good First Issue or Documentation to find welcoming tasks. Then look at the project's contributing.md file to understand their community coding standards. Once you find a bug to fix, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Fork button to safely create an independent copy of that project directly inside your own GitHub profile. Clone that newly forked repository down to your computer, create a separate development branch for your modifications, and write your code updates using your favorite text editor. Commit those changes with a clear message. Push the branch back to your online GitHub profile and click the bright green Compare and Pull Request button that automatically appears on the original project's page. The project maintainers will review your submission, suggest quick adjustments if necessary, and merge your code into the master project, making you an official global open source contributor. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.